Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crashing on PC and what helped me to avoid crashes because my game crashed as well. So what I did, first I updated my GPU drivers to the latest ones, and then in game what you need to do here, you just need to press on the gear icon, then go to graphics. On graphics you need to go to quality, and on quality, on graphic preset, don't go with the extreme or ultra. Make sure to go with the balanced thing here, and then you just need to scroll down until you see weather grid volumes and turn off this option here, and then apply the changes, right? And you should not be getting any crashes here. I know what really helped, or GPU update preset to make it balanced, or the volume grid thing here, but just turn off this option. Make sure that you're not going with the super high graphics, and then look if you're getting crashes or not, and let me know in the comment section below if it helped for you or not. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care, bye.